Hello again. This is tutorial number 3. We're looking at the build part of the Weebly website and more of the different functions and things you can add to your pages. So we already added a text. I'll remind you that you select the text and move that into position. You can see that this text is going below the other text, but you can also put it to the left-hand side or to the right-hand side, and you can make a kind of column. So here is another paragraph. And this may be useful if you are working in a pair. If there are two people building this website, you can have a column to present one person and a column to present a different person. And so then you can have two columns of text side by side. You can add images here in the same way. So you can put one image and then select your image. From your computer. And apologies, my computer is a little slow. So here I have a photo of myself. And again, if you want to put two images next to each other in two columns, you can do that. And put the two photos, the two images in two columns on the page. When you have your texts and your images on the page, it is also easy to move them, to switch. So you could also put them in a different position on the page. So you can swap, you can move them around. I can put the text also below the image, for example. So I can really move different things on the page. I'll go to the project page and also add a text. The project page, instead of writing about yourself, is to write about the reason for this website. So the reason I'm creating this website and blog is because a lot of students ask me questions about learning English for the TOEIC. So here we would like you to write a paragraph, a short paragraph, maybe about 200 words, about the concept, the reason, the idea for this blog. Not about you, not about who you are, where you live, what you study, what you like. You can write about yourself on the first page, about me. But the second page, project, is more to do with the concept of the blog. Okay? Another thing you can do is you can add a link. You may want to have a link to a different website. So this is the option here. You need to select button. It's here. And you have this button text which appears. You can change the label, the title. So I could say, what is the TOEIC? For example, and then I can actually put a link to a different website. So I'm going to, for example, search now for the TOEIC test. I'm going to go to the site, which obviously this one is in French. So I'll put an English version. And then I'll copy the link here. So now, if I click on this button, it will take me to the TOEIC website with information about this test. I could also add a link with a different site, so TOEIC resources. And now I'm going to copy another useful website that I found. Go to link, website, and add the link. Again, if I want to position this differently, I can put it in the center of the page here. For example, that might be a nicer presentation that you want. And when you have finished all your texts, links, pictures, and modifications, always remember to click on Publish to save your work, to save the changes that you've made. And then go and look again at your site, EnglishTOEIC.weebly.com, or your site. Refresh the page. And again, you'll see some changes. So now we can see the new things that I put on, the new pictures. We can see the links that I added. Let's test, do they work? So if I click on this link, yes, it's going to send me to the TOEIC page. And if I click on TOEIC resources, yes, it's working. It's going to send me to the other website. Thank you very much.